Court of Appeals for the not the Ninth Circuit. They would never do this. The Fifth Circuit just withdrew a deeply flawed ruling that claimed suppressors aren't arms protected by the Second Amendment. This move, announced yesterday, signals a serious rethink by the judges who originally made the call and is a huge win for anyone who has enough common sense to understand that our rights don't come with built-in sound restrictions. For a little background, the case is called United States v. Peterson. It started when John Peterson, who is a licensed firearms dealer in Texas, was investigated for allegedly selling guns without proper documentation, which you should never have to have anyway, and possessing an unregistered suppressor or silencer in his home. The suppressor didn't have a serial number or a tax stamp under the National Firearms Act, which means it wasn't registered. And again, shouldn't have to be. Peterson pleaded guilty, but he challenged the law itself, arguing that suppressors should be protected under the Second Amendment. In February, a 3-judge panel of the Fifth Circuit ruled against him. They said that suppressors aren't arms and therefore are not covered by the Constitution. If they're not arms, then how are they included in the National Firearms Act? Anyway, that ruling sparked outrage across the community, obviously, rightly so. It directly contradicted the Supreme Court's guidance in Bruin, which made it clear that all instruments that facilitate armed self-defense count as arms. The idea that a device designed to make firearms safer and easier to use isn't protected defies common sense, but these people don't have much of that. Here's where it gets interesting. The same Fifth Circuit panel that made the bad ruling just withdrew it. No explanation, no rehearing. The webpage goes to a page not found 404 error. Legal experts believe this is a clear sign that the panel knows they got it wrong. Now, they'll likely rewrite the opinion from scratch, hopefully taking into consideration the very Constitution they're supposed to uphold and defend, but the original Fifth Circuit decision was dangerous because it would have allowed the government to strip constitutional protection from anything that it labels an accessory, even if that item is essential to safe and effective firearm use.